gonna show you how fast that I can get my binoculars out. I'm walking, hiking.
Animal.
Wait, do it again.
Animal.
No, wait.
Whoa, what's that animal?
It is a duck. That's how fast I can get these binoculars out. At the ready. That was so slow.
Another animal.
Now that was some speed right there. Good morning. Nick and I are on a bit of an adventure working our way towards Yellowstone National Park, and today we're just going to a little waterfall and maybe gonna swim. It is, according to my watch, almost 100 degrees out. So it's a hot one today, so I think swimming will be really nice. And this summer I've just loved any kind of hiking with water, so like waterfalls, rivers, lakes, that kind of stuff. And then tomorrow we're hoping to get up for sunrise and head into Yellowstone National Park. So we're gonna get close to Cody, Wyoming, and try to camp somewhere around there, wake up super early, and then head into the park. So I'm excited. It's just absolutely beautiful right now and ready to go swimming because I'm pretty hot.
Hey, slow down.
I am having a hard time. It's so hot. I wish that you could smell this though. All this sage, it's just, it smells so good. We're almost there though. Oh. See it? This is the first sighting. So pretty. Just taking a little break. I think I'm gonna get my hat nice and wet. That'll feel really good. It looks like there's gold in the water. It doesn't feel that cold actually, so I think it's gonna be really nice. Oh my God, it's cold! We're in Cody, Wyoming now, and we just stopped at the grocery store to get some stuff for dinner tonight, and we end up getting a bunch of fruit too, because just cold fruit on a hot day is so satisfying. So we're snacking on that, and now we're gonna head towards Yellowstone National Park and try to find camping outside of the park, and then, yeah, hang out for the night.
What fruit did we get?
We got watermelon and pineapple and some strawberries, but they're in the cooler. They're so refreshing, like really hitting the spot. We found the perfect little campsite, and it's only $10. So we're gonna stay here tonight, cook some dinner, and just relax. Right? What do you think these are? Oh, these are roses. For dinner tonight, I'm just doing a sausage and spinach penne pasta. I'm cooking it all in one pot, and you basically just add like enough water to kind of cover the pasta, and then boil it in that and mix it and add more water as needed until the pasta is basically al dente. And there are a ton of mosquitoes coming after me right now, but this smells really good. I'm really excited for this. I'm pretty hungry after that hike and like the full day in the sun, so I think it's gonna be really good. It's been, I wanna say like 10 to 12 minutes, and I just kind of mix it every once in a while, and most of the liquid is gone now. The pasta's cooked, and it leaves a very creamy liquid behind because you're not straining out any of that starch. So for this tonight, I also have some spinach that I'm just gonna wilt in there, and then I have some pasta sauce, but I probably won't need all of this. Well, I'll probably only use like maybe half of this. And then I have some heavy whipping cream, and I'll do a dash of that in here, and some Parmesan. Yeah, so this is way down, and yeah, it's really creamy, cooked, no straining, nice and easy. Spinach in here. Whew, my hair is still wet from that waterfall. But the dinner is done. It looks so good. But I was originally thinking I might want to put like a dash of this heavy cream in there just to like make it super creamy and decadent. But I realized I bought one of the ones that doesn't really close that well, so this might be a bit of a disaster trying to put this in the cooler and get this home. And I just don't really think it needs it, so I'm not gonna put that in there. It's pretty much ready to go. It looks delicious. I have some Parmesan. Actually, this is a 3-cheese blend, Italian cheese, and we're good to go. Gosh, that's perfect. I think that's it for the night. We're gonna hit the tent, and then I will see you in the morning for Yellowstone National Park. It is 5:30 and we are packing things up, heading into the park. Let's do it. are at, what did you say this was? The Dragon's
Mouth
Spring. And I've already said wow 1,000 times this morning. I've actually been through this section of the park, but it's been almost, I think, 10 years since I've been through here. And it is so cool. So we're gonna walk up to this one now, but like the earth is just like bubbling and active. It smells like Nick's farts and it's just so wild. Nick's laughing.
put out at him.
We found a nice little pull-off and I need some coffee, so I just have some instant coffee. This might be like the longest I've been awake without coffee in a long time, so we're gonna do that, maybe have some breakfast and then keep driving. We are in the West Thumb Geyser Basin, just walking on these boardwalks, and there's so many cool geysers and springs and stuff to look at, and colors and steam, and it's just really cool. We've had kind of a whirlwind day through here. We didn't really see a lot of wildlife as we drove more north, so we're kind of back down here, gonna look here, and then head back towards Cody pretty soon. But there's just so much to see in this park, so every time we come, I feel like I just kind of look at a little bit in the morning and then head out before the crowds. So we kind of had some nice hours where there really weren't a lot of people, but now it's definitely starting to get more crowded. So I think we're gonna finish up here and then head back towards Cody.